Hello guys, my name is Steven. I'm the sales for the sales department, and today we have the Steve here, and he's the project manager. And in the past decade, I launched several products, including the motherboards, panel PC, and today the reason we invited Steve because we also have the product line of the capture cards, and I do have experiences selling like HDC-701 in Japan, and they use it on the surgery and to recording the surgery situations, and we also have the experience to sell the HDC-301 to monitor the highways and the traffic situation as well. So HDC capture card could be widely used in a different situation, and last year we launched a new product and it's called HDC-701. From my understanding, the interface is quite different from the product I sold. Would you mind to explain to me about the differences about this one and our previous product line, please?
Okay, this card is actually one channel H.264 encoder card, and it supports 1 dB input and DVI input. It also accept DVI, A means analog and digital. Okay. And we also have a connect to another cable for YPVPR or HDMI input. So they have many different kind of interface to input video. And
so could you use like 2 different input into one capture card at the same time?
Yeah, you stay at one point. This card also equipped one video scaler, so we can combine 2 video input together and to become a full screen and a small PIP window. And they actually is.
So sorry, what does it mean about PIP?
PIP is a function of video scaler chip, and it can accept one video to be displayed in a full screen.
So it's like a picture in pictures.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's what.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, picture in picture. Yeah. So the main difference is many different type of input and the video scaler.
Okay, I see. So from the previous product line, it's quite different because you can have the multiple like interface, and if you want to have a lot of different input sources, you have the flexibilities to use this card.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because many environment or device have different kind of output. Okay. So sometimes VGA or sometimes DVI, sometimes DP. And you can use one card to finish all different kind of video input to encode.
Okay, so I would like to know more about these products.
Okay.
So would you mind to show me the specification and its abilities, please?
Sure.
Okay, you mentioned about lots of like interface supported. So you have the 1 channel's input and 1 channel's output. So what are the specifications? Could you tell me?
We equip LED number on the board. You can set up the number for each board. And why you need this function? Because we can install 4 cards in this one system together.
So you mean if the motherboard has the full expansion PCIe,
yes.
So you can use like this LED to indicate the different source?
Yeah.
Okay, so you can record 4 input resources, but what kind of application you can use this kind of application? I mean, what you need
for example, in the production line, the PC have different kind of output. Sometimes the machine only have VGA, and the other one only have DVI, and the other one have DP. I want to use one system to record many signals from different PC. So I can install 4 cards together in one system.
So if the interface is different, but you can use the HDC-701 to put different input into one system.
Yeah, and they encode together.
Okay, that's quite amazing. Okay, let's go on.
And this card also equipped 1 video scaler. So what's the function of video scaler? The best one is convert video signal from one resolution to another one. Maybe from lower to higher or from higher to lower. Okay. And Video scaler also can use to control color from your video input. So you can adjust the brightness or contrast or sharpness, etc. It's just like TV monitor.
Okay.
We also provide two customized function, OSD and cropping. This means you can edit some information in your video.
I'm sorry, what does it mean, OSD?
OSD, and let's see next slide.
Okay.
OSD is on-screen display.
Okay.
You mean you can add picture or logo in your video, or add some text information, or add some timestamp in your video.
So, like what do we do now? You can put actually the scripts onto the videos, and you can also use it on the live stream to show some titles.
Yeah, because it's very important for some place, maybe in a hospital or maybe in a bus station, for some safety issue. You need to record the time or record the name, because maybe for example the doctor name. You need to see the video information who are in the video.
I see. Okay.
Let's see the next PIP function.
Okay.
We provide 5 video input, DP, HDMI, YPVR, etc. But you can choose one to be the main video input, and it can display to the full screen. And you can choose another one to be the PIP video input, and it can become the small one in the full screen. So you can see the main video and the second source video.
Okay.
Yeah. But actually they can encode only one channel video.
So it can, what do you mean is you can integrate 2 different resources into one channels?
Yeah.
Okay, to encode. Okay, I see.
And another customized function is cropping. This means you can cut some video area from your video source.
But I can't get this part because it's quite normal. You can copy different, like the pictures, videos normally. But why you emphasize this function?
I just cut the video from source, not the picture or not the file I already encode.
So you can edit the source when you do the encoding and at the same time?
Yeah, before I encoding, I can edit the area I want to cut, or you can change the rate or change the area you don't like.
So instead of post editing, you can edit it at the same time when you do the video recordings?
Yeah, so after you cutting, the video size will be more smaller because I just use the area I want. Okay, later I will do live demo to install the car, install driver, and change the car ID number. And I will use the IPC to display the video out from DP, VGA, and DPI to input this car and do encoding.
So which means we will have a live demo, we will demonstration the product.
Yeah.
Oh, cool. Okay, let's just go straight to see the products. Okay, I see the live demo here. So I wonder, these 2 is the input sources. Is that right?
Yeah.
So could you tell me how you connect to our HDC-701?
Okay. My notebook only had one HDMI output.
Okay.
Yeah. So I use HDMI to DVI cable and connect to the H701 card.
Okay, so it's HDMI to DVI. Yeah. Then how about tank?
This tank has 3 video output interface, DP, DVI, and VGA. And now I just connect DP to DP.
So one resource is DVI and the tank is using the DP.
Yeah.
So okay, now HDC-701 has 2 input sources. Okay.
Yeah.
No problem.
And now I also connect HDMI output to this monitor.
HDMI output to this monitor.
Yeah.
So our encoded content will come to this monitor.
Yeah, I can show the content from this these two machines.
Okay, I see.
Okay, before we install the car, you can change the car number ID. For example, this car setup number 1.
Okay.
And because you can install 4 cars together, so please set up unique ID in one car, number 1, number 2, and please do not set 2 cars for number 1.
So once you have the numbers, you won't confuse about what kind of recording you're doing. Okay. No problem.
And after you install the car, please go to IEI website and search HDC-701EL.
So what I should do is to go to the main page of IEI and go to the download.ieiworld.com.
Yeah.
Okay.
And just a search. For example, go to IEI page and search HDC-701EL.
Okay. Then click the product.
Yeah, and click download button.
Then you go to the download page. So what kind of driver should I download? The SDK or driver?
Our SDK include the driver, SDK source, and the application.
So we should download this SDK one. Okay.
Yeah. And just click and save and follow the instruction to set up the driver and software.
So we also have the instruction on the user menu.
Yeah.
You can follow the instruction.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. After you install the driver, you can check the device manager. You can see the audio device. You can see the HDC-701EL.
Okay.
It means you install driver successfully.
Okay.
And now this screen is after I click the icon of HDC-701, is the application of our software.
Okay.
Let's set up and reset to be the factory setting. And now
So
you can
go to the scaler, then click the MISC.
yeah.
Okay.
You can do reset.
Okay.
And now you can click the input source page. And
Okay.
you can see a lot of video input.
Okay.
And now I want to change the video input to DP. It means my tank.
Okay.
And click right button. So the output video source will show the video from tank.
So this is the video from tank. Okay.
Yeah, it means the DP to HDMI. We do some transfer. Okay.
No problem.
And now I can do encoding. That you can change the audio sampling rate from 74 or another one, and set up variant. Okay, and input resolution now is 1080 60p, and encoding resolution is 30p, and you can change the bitrate when you want to recording. And
Okay.
this is the biggest. And click OK and stop, and key in your name. And now it start recording.
Okay. I see.
And you can see this file here. Okay, it's the same from video source. It's very easy.
Okay.
And now I stop and change to recording my notebook video.
Okay. So the same. You go to the scaler.
Yeah, and change the video source, DPI to HDMI.
I see.
And click right.
Okay.
And now I can set up again the resolution from the highest 60 frames per second and 30 frames per second, and start. Key in another name. Here. Oh, it's the same with this one.
Okay.
So it's very easy to use to record from different kind of source.
Okay. I see.
You can see a lot of control setting here for color, because we equip the video scaler function here, so you can adjust the color of red or blue or something, or brightness or sharpness.
So you can decide what kind of color ratios you want.
Yeah.
And decide the contrast
Yeah,
and brightness.
Yeah, for example,
etc.
I just set 100
Okay.
and you can change the color.
Oh, I see. So the screen is for pink.
Yeah, so you can change the video source and adjust a lot of color, just like TV monitor, and you can encode this kind of video.
Okay, I see.
Yeah.
Okay, so we see the product and we also see the demonstration of the live demo.
Yeah.
It's very nice. So thank you so much and thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe our channels, and there's more videos on our website. Thank you so much.
Thank you.